Once upon a time, in a small green village surrounded by rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Leo. Leo was a very lazy boy. While other children were busy playing or helping their parents, Leo preferred to do nothing at all. On this beautiful sunny morning, Leo lay under a large, ancient oak tree, closed his eyes, and let out a long yawn. His school books were scattered all over the grass, ignored and forgotten. Leo didn't want to study. He only wanted to nap. However, his friend Mira was very different. Mira was the most active and hardworking girl in the entire village. Mira was in her vibrant vegetable garden. She was busily watering the rows of carrots and lettuce under the warm sun. She was humming a happy tune. Even with sweat on her brow, she looked focused and very proud of her garden. As the afternoon sun moved across the sky, Leo moved from the tree to the wooden porch of his house. He fell fast asleep, not noticing that his to-do list was blowing away in the gentle summer wind. Meanwhile, Mira was still working. She was in the orchard now, standing next to trees full of ripe, red fruit. She carried a heavy basket filled to the brim with fresh apples. Her hard work had given her a wonderful harvest. Later that day, Leo finally woke up. He wanted to play with his favorite wooden toy horse, his most prized possession. But the toy was gone. Leo searched through the weeds, but he couldn't see anything. He began to feel very sad and frustrated. He walked over to Mira's garden, where she was finishing her tasks. "Mira, I lost my toy. Will you help me find it?" Mira looked at Leo and then at his messy yard. She spoke to him with a kind and helpful voice. She explained that work must always come before play. "If you keep your yard clean, Leo, you will never lose your things." Leo realized that his laziness was the problem. He decided to change. He picked up a rake and started to work. He raked the fallen leaves into a big pile. He was very tired and his arms felt heavy, but he did not stop. Next, he began to cut the tall grass. The evening sun was setting, casting a beautiful orange glow over the village. Suddenly, something caught his eye. Something small and wooden was peeking out from under a pile of leaves. It was his toy. Leo picked it up and held it tightly. He felt a great sense of pride and happiness. Leo ran to Mira to show her his toy. He thanked her for teaching him that hard work is very rewarding. From that day on, Leo wasn't lazy anymore. He learned that being active made him feel much better than sleeping all day. Now, Leo and Mira work together in the garden every morning. They are happy, active, and the best of friends.